Welcome to BMC Helix video solution. Today we'll discuss how to use email template on activity feed. First, we'll log into Salesforce. Once we landed on the home page of the Salesforce, we'll go to Remedyforce console. After clicking on the console, we'll select any of the incident. So on the incident, on the right corner of the screen, we have an activity feed. We'll click on the activity feed. Under action, we have an option for email. So once we select on email, we can select email template. These are the only Visualforce template we can select based on the requirement, or we can write a email text body in custom words. So now I will quickly show you how we can use this email template. So I have selected my email address, then I will select this email template, all tasks closed for incident. So whenever we select Visualforce email template in the activity feed, the additional information goes grayed out. So now I'll click on send email. So now the email has sent and it will deliver to my Outlook. So it just takes some time to process. So here is the email which we sent from the activity feed. This is the way we can use email templates on activity feed. Thank you for watching this video.